Greetings to you watching Acholi ITV and the coffee bean war, how we prefer to call, and which came from the Coffee Amendment Bill 2024 has resulted into hard decisions for the Baganda people. And it seems like they are maneuvering with some strategies, but we don't know whether these strategies will not be countered in time. But so far, things look like they are trying to escape this stance. So they have found a way of exporting their own coffee via a company called Terimba Limited straight to Kenya. No, I mean to say straight to China. And here are the 10 things that you need to know from the development. And the first one is the export has been approved. Mwanyi Terimba Limited, which is part of the Buganda Kingdom's business arm, has been cleared by the Ugandan government to export coffee beans to China following an audit that confirmed compliance with sanitary and phytosanitary standards. So they met the standards which is set by the government, so they have been cleared to start exporting straight themselves. Then the second thing you need to know is certification and compliance has already been done. The company received a registration certificate valid for 1 year and will be subject to ongoing inspections and audits to ensure continued compliance with regulations. So this is where my first initial statement comes in. If they want to be dealt with in time after trying to maneuver, because there will be constant or continuous monitoring and checks to ensure continued compliance to the set standards. Then the third thing is initial export has already happened. The first shipment to China was made through China Communication Construction Company, that is CCCC, that is 4 C's. The company plans to export both roasted and green coffee beans with future consignments expected. You see, future consignments expected, and the company plans to export both roasted and green coffee. So whether it is roasted or not yet roasted, this Chinese company are ready to export them straight to China. Then also the fourth thing that you need to know is the value addition plans are already in. Mwanyi Terimba Limited intends to establish a factory, as I already said 2 days ago, in Nakisunya in Mukono district to add value to coffee beans, enhancing product quality and potential earnings. That's the plan also by this Terimba Limited. And then the fifth thing that you must know is the historical angle. You need to look at the historical initiative. The Mwanyi Terimba initiative, launched in 2016 by Buganda, aimed to boost coffee production and reduce household poverty. The Uganda Coffee Development Authority, that is UCDA, which the law which has passed, the amendment which has passed, rubbing them off, taking the authority under MAEF, that is Ministry of Culture, Animal and Livestock Industry. They supported this with a distribution of 10 million seedlings. So UCDA supported the Baganda via the Mwanyi Terimba initiative by giving them 10 million seedlings of coffee. Now the sixth thing that you must also know is production and impact. The Buganda region is currently the top coffee producer in Uganda, contributing over 3 million bags of Robusta coffee for the 2023-2024 financial year. Uganda as a whole has increased its coffee exports to 9 million bags, generating $900 million dollars annually. Then the seventh thing that is worth your notice is government reforms. President Museveni defended the move to dissolve the UCDA and transfer its functions to the Ministry of Agriculture, emphasizing NRM's efforts, mark the word, NRM's efforts in expanding coffee production since 1986. So the president has already defended their stance, or his stance on this. So the president supported the bill fully, and he still continues to support the Coffee Amendment Bill 2024. And then the eighth thing is their goals, the economic goals. The president highlighted the need for value addition in the coffee sector to significantly boost earnings. Uganda aims to increase production to 20 million 60 kilogram bags, aiming to earn more from global coffee trade. The second last, which is number 9, is challenges and ambitions. While the current revenue from coffee export stands at $900 million, President Museveni stressed the need for more ambitious targets, noting that Africa earns only $2.5 billion from a $460 billion global coffee market. So, you see, so the president is calling for an increased push. Then the last one, which is number 10, is farmer engagement, increased participation by farmers, and the conversion of higher land into coffee plantations, signal a positive trend toward meeting the future production goals set in the coffee roadmap. So these are our extract and research, the 10 things that you must know around the coffee and Buganda, what the Buganda are doing and what the government has saying. Now you know what they've been doing, and thank you so much, as I wish you a very nice time.